Okay, so I want to help you with this video to access the course Interactive Stories in Portuguese, and I also want to show you a little bit around inside the course and explain to you how this course works and how you should proceed within the course, okay, to get the best results. So here we have the main page of story time. You're gonna get a link to go here to enroll. So right now I have a price, but I'm not absolutely sure this is gonna be the final price, so don't really pay attention to that. I just really want you to check out how to enroll and how to really follow this course. Okay, so here you can read a lot about what this course is really about, so you can already go ahead and read this, but I will also explain to you in more detail. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and click here where it says enroll in course. This will give you two options. So you can either go for a monthly payment and you get 7 days for free, and you will be asked to give your credit card right away. But if for any reason after these 7 days you think that this course has no value for you or you don't want to continue, you can cancel at any time before those 7 days finish and you won't be charged anything. Or if then you think that you want to continue because you like the course, you will then be charged monthly. If you use this here, monthly payments, you're gonna be charged monthly, and it's gonna be a value around $12 and $15. Again, I still am deciding on this. I just wanted to tell you that here you see a value with a bit with a tax on. So depending on the country where you are, you're gonna have to pay a tax. And this doesn't really depend on me, and the money doesn't come to me. Just depends on the country you are based on. And for example, here in Portugal, I have to pay 23% on top of everything that I buy because this is the VAT from Portugal. In America, someone that buys from the US, they will pay zero, so zero VAT. So they're just gonna pay the value of the actual course. Again, I wish that there would be a way around this, but unfortunately there isn't, and the money doesn't even come to me. So yeah, that's that. So then you can choose the monthly payment. So you will pay every month until you cancel, and like again, you can cancel anytime you want. And you have this 7-day free trial to try the course out and check if it's something for you or not. You can also opt for the annual payment, and here you're gonna save around 16% because you're just gonna pay the equivalent more or less to 10 months rather than 12 months. You still get the 7-day free trial, so you can cancel again anytime you want. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. You can also read about me here if you don't know me, right? I'm Mia and I'm a qualified teacher. You can read all about me there. So then I'm gonna click here, enroll in course, and I'm gonna go to the checkout page. So then you see this, you see what you have to pay. Right now it's zero because I have then those 7 days. The account information right now, I'm logged in. Let me log out. So if you're not logged in, you're gonna see something like this, and then you have to put here your name and your email address, and then don't forget to put here your payment information. Okay, and at the end you have to click here to agree to Teachables and Learn European Portuguese Online's terms of use and privacy policy. And once all of this is set, then you have to click here where it says enroll in course, and you're going to be immediately enrolled in the course. So this is part 1 on how to enroll in story time. Okay, and I'm gonna continue then and show you inside of story time and also what you can expect and how you should follow the course to get the best results. Até já!